Hi friends, we are in the month of February 2021, and as you know, the month of February is always celebrated as the month of love. And most important week of this month is the Valentine's week. Who doesn't want to be in love? Love is such a strong emotional feeling. It just balloons your spirit. If you are in a love, if you are in a bonding, if you are in a relationship, it always gives you a lot of emotional strength. That is why this month is so very important. This week is so very important. So the Valentine week we should celebrate with a lot of laughter, lot of sweet feelings, lot of exchange of sweet words, gifts. In fact, the whole idea is to make your bonding stronger, to acknowledge each other's feelings for each other. That is what is called this. And today we will speak on Valentine Day, and we will say that what social message the Valentine Day gives actually. It is just not about the romantic love. It actually starts with a very strong emotional feeling for each other. That is why this week is very important. My dear friends, as you know that the Valentine week starts from 7th and ends with 14th. It starts with the Rose Day. Rose Day is such an important day. People exchange rose. Red rose is a symbol of love. And it is followed by Propose Day. Then you go to a Chocolate Day, then Teddy Day, then Promise Day, then is the Hog Day, Kiss Day, and lastly on 14th of February we have the Valentine's Day. My dear friends, if you look at the history of Valentine's Day celebration, it is always connected to Saint Valentine. When in Rome he was executed, it is a legend that Saint Valentine was executed on 14th of Feb. And subsequently, this day was because his love for the jealous daughter, he wrote some poems and some paintings which in fact he extended to as a feeling of love for each other. So this is a rumor, this is a legend, this is one cannot historically examine this, but only thing is that this is what the story goes like, that from the Saint Valentine's Day, Martyr's Day, it started and continued it through the centuries, and today it has become a cult movement. The Valentine Day has become a cult movement. You can find the young spirits, they celebrate, their spirits are ballooning up, they propose, they give gifts, chocolates, the teddy bears, kisses, proposing each other. People celebrate love like anything, and there cannot be any stronger feeling than love. Love is such an important feeling. My dear friends, Valentine's week arrives with the arrival of the spring. A spring is always everybody wants. It is the end of winter, starting of summer. Look at the trees, they shed their leaves, and how romantic the whole atmosphere becomes. And here the youngsters, everybody enjoys the atmosphere. But my only thing is that Valentine Day should not be confused only as a romantic day. It has to be celebrated among all. It should be celebrated. It should not be confined to youngsters. It is the parents and the children, the teachers and the students, the brother and sisters, among the friends, among the old couples, every category of people, they should celebrate Valentine's Day. And Valentine's Day should not be only confused as a romantic love between the two couples. It should go beyond that. It has a very strong message that only love, only good feelings, that can sustain in these critical times. And with the new normal in the post-pandemic period, the very important Valentine's Day comes up because we all feel that this is the week to be celebrated with a lot of hope, lot of expectation, and lot of good feelings for each other. There should not be any hatred. We should not have any hatred. We should have all good feelings. So if If you confuse this only as a romantic love, then you are limiting your Valentine's Day celebration. It should go beyond everything. It should, the feeling of love, goodwill, good feelings, it should be in every corner of society, among all sections of society, among all age groups. That is why it is called the most important day in a year. That is called the Valentine's Day. So all my best wishes for everyone on this Valentine's week, and I hope we will all celebrate this week in a new way, in a post-pandemic way, by following the COVID protocol. We'll celebrate this with month, and all the best. Thank you.